Hey everyone, Johnny Hancock, Walnut Ridge Family RV in Newcastle. It's another walk-through Wednesday. But let me start with just one point that I really want to make before we get started on this beautiful Flagstaff Micro-Lite. I always want to remind everyone that we are one of the few remaining family-owned and operated dealerships in central Indiana. We're not going anywhere. We're not going to be sold. We want to make sure that everybody remembers that family-owned and operated, and that means that personalized service is our goal 100% of the time. Get online, check out our reviews. Family-owned and operated. That's exactly right. That's why I'm here. Okay, let's get started on this Micro-Lite. First of all, I'm a big Flagstaff fan. Why? Because the quality built part of these units is unsurpassed. I'm standing on 5/8 tongue and groove flooring. Solid, real plywood flooring. So that's always something you want to remember with Flagstaff is it goes into the quality is from the ground up on these. They all include tank heaters, every unit, solar, every unit. This is a tandem, so it weighs about 5,400 pounds, and it is the ultimate in mom and pop coaches. This particular floor plan is no bunks, and it has a separate bedroom with a door, and it's all sealed, so that's terrific. But look at this front kitchen. Look at this high quality countertop. Double stainless steel sinks. Look at that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. You've got a pop-up outlet back there for all of your crock pots, coffee makers, and such. We've got a beautiful stove right here. You can see that the knobs are all lit up. It's got an oven in it too. It comes with that. Don't forget that. Flagstaff doesn't forget much, if anything. A beautiful stainless steel microwave right up here. As we walk around, we've got your theater seating right here. And if you have a doggy, you still have room to have the doggy in the middle. And then when you want just cup holders, USB and 110 right here for your laptops, your iPads and such, you've got that right there. And those are recliners, by the way. Fireplace, 5,000 BTUs of electric heat. So I have a lot of people say, well, we don't need that old fancy fireplace. Wait a minute. That's 5,000 BTUs of electric heat that the campground's going to pay for, not you. It saves your propane, and that will heat this entire coach up. So that's a beautiful feature to have. So don't underwrite the fireplaces. They're critical. Look at the size of that 12-volt refrigerator. Lots of space, gallon of milk, adjustable shelves, crisper, you name it, it's got it. And the freezer, well, if you like your ice cream bars or ice cream in a tub, you've got plenty of room for that as well. TV comes with it. Look at it. It's right there. It's 12 volt also. So if you lose power, this does have solar. You can watch the TV while the power is out and until the power comes back on. All roller shades in a Flagstaff. Again, I love this brand. Look at this bathroom. It's beautiful. You have a linen closet in there. You have a big corner shower in there. You have a commode that is at a perfect angle, and it is porcelain, not plastic. And then look at that vanity with a working medicine cabinet. We're going to step on back here to this beautiful bedroom. Lots of great privacy. So if one of you sleeps longer than the other one, you can sleep in here, shut the door, and have the front end to do whatever you'd like to do. And again, roller shades throughout. I can't get a hold of that one, but I got this one. It also has all frameless windows, so they tilt out and they can be left open. And if you get a rainstorm, it's not going to soak your coach. The bed's nice and high, gets you up off the floor. Plus, with every Flagstaff, you're going to have storage underneath here as well. You got a couple drawers down there. Storage is critical, but look at the Flagstaff. The furniture that is built into the units is reinforced by the aluminum, that the same aluminum tubing is in the walls of your coach as well. But it is reinforced in the furniture that is built into these units. So if you look at a lot of units, you look that up, it's all wood, it's all 1x1s or something like that. But with a Flagstaff, you're going to get the aluminum reinforced. It has USB and 110 on both sides of the bed. You got your little pistol drawer right there. You got storage up above. You've got a vent up above as well. So those are terrific aspects to have in a Flagstaff. Look how well lit this coach is. It's beautiful. You got one AC unit. It's all you'll ever need. Right there. It's a small coach. And this, by the way, is a 2023 leftover. So we're kind of famous for managing our inventory very well. We don't have a lot of leftovers from one year to the next, but we do have a couple 23s left. So I invite you to come check them out. You're going to get a great price on it. And again, it's a Flagstaff. What can I say? Flagstaff. Now we're going to head outside and take a look at it. Okay, now that we're on the outside, Goodyear tires. How about that? Goodyear tires. TV hookups right here. If you want to take the TV from the outside, bring it outside underneath the awning. That looks to be about a 19-footer. Could be a 21, but I think it's a 19-footer right there. You got a little table that comes with it. You got an outside kitchen here. Look at this. So you got a couple burners here. You got a mini fridge out here. There's always a roof on these Flagstaffs because it is a full walkable roof. And then we have some additional storage back here in a drawer so that you can get to everything right there. Isn't that nice? Your grill cover is already in there. That's back behind here. Cable and satellite hookup. Water hose hookup is right there. Come with me, if you will. Solid steps. Look at the features. So you can come in here and see all of our Flagstaffs have all the features that are laid right down on here. And it gives you a good overview. So this coach, it's not for somebody that's looking for just a camper to keep the rain off their heads. I mean, this is quality, and the type of folks that buy these are the people who worry less about the payment and more about are they buying a quality unit, which they are. Fiberglass front cap on it, front windshield, which is laminated. You're going to have dual 30-pound cylinders already on it, and then you're also going to have a power tongue jack on it. How about that? Now, one of the things I want to, again, remind you of is no freight, no prep, no battery charge. We don't do any of that. We have simply one dock fee and we have one BMV fee, and that's it. Totally transparent. Numbers are out there for everybody to look at. All our units are priced when you walk in them. We're not going to ask you if you got a trade first or any of that stuff. Basically, we have our units priced. If you walk in here, you're going to see in every coach we've got pricing in there. It doesn't change. It's there for you. Whether you got a trade or you don't have a trade, we don't care. Just come in, look at our pricing, look at our units, talk to our sales staff, and we'll get you all the information you need to make a quality, good, excellent purchase. All right. I'm John Hancock. This is Walnut Ridge Family RV with another Walk Through Wednesday. Thanks for joining me.